and Daisy. Gates open, they're up and racing. We have entry number 5, Prince Ferdy, Golden Money, moving up in between runners, Dayang Kilager, just like it is running by the rail as they race towards the last 900. Golden Money, Prince Ferdy, sorry outside now, about to tackle, then racing in third, Kilager, just like it running by the rail. Fourth running alongside Pip is Dayang, and a long way back to entry number 6, Typhoon Doring, routing at the last 600. Prince Ferdy now takes command from the outside. Golden Money is by the rail second, and racing now in third, just like it. Dayang in fourth, Kilager and Typhoon Doring as they race at the last 450. Prince Ferdy, Golden Money, fighting back once again down on the inside, just like it, racing in third as they come up to the last 200. Prince Ferdy, just like it is by the rail. Dayang Kilager with 150 more to run. Prince Ferdy this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Kilager, Dayang Typhoon Doring, and leading the finish line, Jackie Stephen Silim on Prince Ferdy, Kilager, Typhoon Doring, Dayang just like it, and Golden Money.